Hello, Daniel here, and welcome to another one of my product unboxing videos. So this is the Amazon Fire TV Cube. It's the best Fire TV they do. Yeah, the stick. They do the sticks as well. It's just going to be a quick unboxing video to show you what you get. So as you normally expect with Amazon packages, it's really nicely packed, but really secure. Got a nice like glossy finish here. Got all the types of apps it supports, so you can stream all of this. And these are the specs. You need high-speed broadband, basically decent Wi-Fi. It's got Bluetooth. This is a really powerful, perhaps hexa-core processor, so it'll be even faster when you're using it. Obviously, it has she shall not be named built into it. I won't say that in case it triggers your devices. You don't need to press a button down. You just speak to it. That's one of the benefits. Obviously, you get the remote control. And what's included? So what is included? Obviously the cube, the voice remote. That's the second gen one with a little blue light on it. Two AA batteries, power adapter, IR extender for that, and that's to control other pieces of equipment you might have in your home, like hi-fi, etc. And it contains an Ethernet adapter, so that plugs in. You can hardwire it, but obviously it's got Wi-Fi on it. So we need to undo it from the bottom. Now, so we take this off like that. I've got the dog in the way, but it doesn't matter. There we go. So you've got your cube, and I've got to say, it does weigh a fair bit. It feels good quality, just the weight of it. We've got a little box in here as well. So in the box we have your power brick, basically 15-watt power brick with the DC jack on the end. Put that down there for a second. We have the infrared blaster. That's optional whether you use that or not, it's totally up to you. And then we have the Ethernet adapter, so that gives you a hardwired connection. Not everybody will be able to use this, and it plugs in the side. It's quite nice. It looks like the power goes through this and the network, and all in just one plug, which that's quite a good design feature. The next thing we have in the box, we have a bunch of manuals. They're really well written normally, so you won't have a problem setting this up. The Fire TV remote, Generation 2, and a couple of Amazon Basics AAA batteries. So that's basically everything that's included. So the cube, so it's saying to you optimal placement in the middle or below. So basically she can hear you when you speak to her. It's got some sort of ventilation or speakery type thing here. I think it's a speaker. Where is all the power and stuff? Where does that all go then? Where does all that plug in then? Let's undo it. So it's got a nice glossy finish. Obviously it will attract the dust. The top is like a matte black, and it's got 2, 4, 6, 8 microphones here, all in the center. You got your plus and minus, your command button, and your mute microphone. And it's got this stick on the back that looks like you pull it off, and it tells you where to place it before you pull it off. So let's just pull that off. And that goes all the way around there by the looks of it. It's quite a long one. I realised that was all the way round. There we go. And on the back you've got your micro USB connector, what's this? Infrared blaster, HDMI and power. And that's basically my unboxing for this Fire TV Cube. So I hope that helps anybody who's looking to buy one of these. Thank you very much.